Hi, uh, today's video I'm going to upload about VA loan multifamily. So that's video especially for all those who are from USA or residents of USA, and they want to apply for a VA loan and they own a multifamily. So that's the proper video in which I will try to discuss uh, all about VA loan multifamily. So if you want to get a VA loan for your multifamily, then you can have some requirements. If you fulfill those requirements, then you can apply for VA multifamily loan. So if you fulfill those requirements, then they will ensure that you will get about all that VA loan of your multifamily. But first of all, I will try to make sure and I will try to make you understand what is a VA loan. Especially if you want to know about a VA loan, then VA loan means to say that it's a special kind of joint loan option for two or more veteran who wants to purchase a multi-family home with up to 7 units. So that's is can be called as a VA loan definition. So the question which mostly people ask about VA loan, that can multiple people be on a VA loan. So means to say that can multiple people have VA loan. So answer lies within. If you want to buy a house with your co-browser, then he wants to alleviate some of the inherent financial burden of the ownership, and if he want to make you enable to afford homes, then they wouldn't be able to on their own. Typically they needs some kind of loan from any kind of company. So VA loan companies ensure that the veteran must have VA loan so that he can co-browsers are co-browsers of a spouse, then they don't have to be. So that's the VA loan requirements or VA loan question. Second thing, if you want to know about then what are the requirements of VA loan multiple unit reverse. So answer lies down there. VA has a specific cash reverse requirement for multi-familiar browsers. You will need to have at least 6 months worth of monthly mortgage payments, as well as associated tax insurance availability in cash assets to qualify for a VA multi-family loan. So that's the requirements. So you just know about the requirements. So it can be about your property or your home loan. So second question mostly people ask about VA loan: can I get a joint VA loan with my daughter? If I want to get a joint loan with my daughter, can I have that? So question lies underneath that. The joint VA loan program allows veterans and active duty military members to use joint borrower who is not a spouse or other veteran. Most lenders won't allow these kinds of loans and will block veterans from buying a house with sister, brother, mother, father, son or daughter. So the answer you get, that its answer is not. You can't get a joint VA loan with your daughter. So other thing, if you want to make co-browsers with your signer, so what should be difference between them? So a co-signer agrees without having any ownership interest in a home to strengthen your mortgage application by letting a lender consider their financing and promising to pay back on a loan if you default. And a co-browser helps strengthen your mortgage application while also having ownership interest in a public. So a co-signer will not have interest in the ownership of your property, but a co-browser will have interest in ownership of your property. So other questions you can get easily by googling or by typing your question here. But mostly frequently asked question, you can also see here that these are mostly frequently asked questions, so you can just get what answer you want from about VA loan multifamily. So that's it from today's video. I hope you will get understand. If you not, then you can ask anything in my comment section. Bye.